HEARKEN Rack Pinion Pneumatic Actuators. HEARKEN HPA Rack and Pinion Pneumatic Actuators with compact, reliable design are often used in valve actuation, yet widely used in quarter-turn turnball valve, butterfly valve, and plug valves, as well as damper applications. There are two primary varieties of pneumatic actuators, single-acting and double-acting. The guarantee time is 500,000 cycles up to 1 million cycles. Various of indicators. The 3-generation of caps design. 1st generation, 2nd generation, and 3rd generation. Outer hexagon screw and inner hexagon screw as optional. It helps you to choose the suitable models according to your market demand. Valve connection manufactured to fully conform to International Namur interface and ISO 5211 DIN 3337. Double square female output shaft provide multiple options for direct mounting of Namur solenoid valves, limit switch box, valve positioners, and position monitors, etc. Features: actuator body, hard anodized aluminum body with both internal and external corrosion protection. The aluminum extrusion is hard anodized to 45 to 50 microns to protect against wear and corrosion, while reducing piston friction to the absolute minimum. Nickel-plated or double epoxy-coated bodies available upon request. End caps. Epoxy-coated die-cast aluminum end caps provide maximum resistance against potentially corrosive elements. Other treatments such as nickel, ceramic, PTFE, polyester-coated are available. As a professional manufacturer for pneumatic actuators, we provide the OEM products and service. There are 3-generation of end caps design. Pinion. The hardened steel pinion is precision ground and then nickel-plated in order to reduce friction, provide maximum wear resistance, and protect against corrosion under severe conditions. An optional stainless steel pinion is available for corrosive environments. Pistons. The precisely balanced die-cast aluminum pistons are fitted with high-quality rings and guides, resulting in high ratios of output torque versus input air pressure. The twin rack and piston design creates a constant torque output on all models. NBR 70 O-rings for our regular standard, -20 degrees Celsius, -40 degrees Fahrenheit, to +80 degrees Celsius, +176 degrees Fahrenheit. Seals available upon request. HNBR O-rings for lower temperature, -40 degrees Celsius, -40 degrees Fahrenheit, to +80 degrees Celsius, +176 degrees Fahrenheit. Viton O-rings for high temperature, -15 degrees Celsius, +5 degrees Fahrenheit, to +150 degrees Celsius, +300 degrees Fahrenheit. Travel stops, open, closed. External travel stops adjust -5 to +5 degrees on both open and closed position easily. Double acting operation, CCW counterclockwise. Air to port A forces the pistons outwards, causing the piston to turn counterclockwise while air is being exhausted from port B. CW clockwise. Air to port B forces the pistons inwards, causing the piston to turn clockwise while air is being exhausted from port A. For use with quarter-turn operating applications such as butterfly valve, ball valves, and other valve automation solutions, etc. The output torque ranges from 30 Nm Nm to 2600 Nm Nm. We offer available motor voltage 380 volts, 220 volts, 110 volts, 24 volts, 12 volts AC or DC power, etc. HEARKEN offer electric actuator position control, on-off, open-close, potentiometer unit, 1K to 10K control, external modulating control module, 4 to 20 milliamps, 0 to 10 volts DC input-output feedback signal. The digital screen display which for easy setting and checking the valve position. The standard travel angle is 0 to 90 degree and 120 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree is optional. Performance features. Housing. Aluminum alloy housing with anodic oxidation treatment, dry powder, Epoxy polyester for strong corrosion resistant, protection class IP67. Electric motor. Small size squirrel cage motor designed by large torque and low inertia. F-class insulation rating. Built-in overheat protection to prevent the motor from overheating. Manual override with wrench. Safe and reliable handle design for easy manual operation. This allows you to mechanically close or open a valve in case of power failure or any other emergency. Power must be off before manual operation. Manual hand wheel is optional. Actuator Indicator. Convex lens visual position makes it easier to observe without water collecting on the surface of the indicator. Highly visible valve position indicator, which makes at-a-glance position checking easier than ever. Seal. Well sealing with silicone rubber to provide standard protection grade is IP67, and IP68 is optional. Limit switches. Standard 4 limit switches, 2 limit switch for full open and 2 limit switch for full close. Mechanical limit screw is adjustable, safe and reliable. Electronic limit switch is controlled by the cam. Set position accurately and conveniently by simple adjustment. Self-locking. The high-precision worm and gear mechanism has high efficiency and can output large torque. Its self-locking function prevents reverse travel. Transmission part is stable and reliable. No need for additional grease. Captive cover bolt. Captive cover bolts stay attached to cover when removed. Installation. Mounting base is according to ISO 5211, DIN 3337. Can be installed in both vertical and horizontal installation. Anti-Condensation Heater. It is used to control the temperature and avoid internal moisture condensation caused by temperature or weather changes. Keep electric elements dry. The electric actuator widely applies to petroleum, chemical, water treatment, shipping, paper making, power plant, heating supply, light, and other industries.